Good morning, everyone. Amy Conley here with United Way of Door County. It is Monday, September 29th. I had to think about that one. What an amazing weekend. It was incredible. Thank you to everyone who came out to the farmers market, participated in our activities there, who walked for Stride with St. Peter's Church. Thank you to the outreach team who organized that event. Thank you to everyone who came to the Hispanic Heritage Festival. That was great. That was put on by about 8 different community partners, several different sponsors. Thanks to the food trucks, thanks to the other vendors who came, tons of kids' activities, the nonprofits that were there for the resource fair portion of it, the bands, they were both really good. So thank you to everyone. That was a great event. Yesterday was Pre-Packer Pilates, a new partnership that United Way, the Y, our internal program partner, Live Well, have. So you're going to be seeing more activities from the three of us, all different aspects of wellness. They're going to be free like yesterday or low cost, and kind of targeting different groups, different populations in our community. So that is part of our work, ours and the Y's, as a part of the last community health assessment, which led to the CHIP, the Community Health Improvement Plan, looking for more of those activities. And then, as many of you know, we did another community health assessment this summer in partnership with the Public Health Department and Medical Center. And again, that was ranking very high. We haven't tallied all those results yet, but that ranked really high, that people want more group health activities, more social activities, things not in a bar, and things that are free or low cost. So that is some of the work that you're going to see us partnering with the Y on. So we're super happy about that. This week, we don't have any events until Saturday. I know, how crazy is that? Last week was a full week, but I want to hit on Saturday. So this Saturday we'll be at the farmers market with our 3 program areas as normal. 1 exchanging food share, 1 activities for the kids with our Partnership for Children and Families, and then Steph will be there with Live Well and the Alcohol and Drug Coalition, so you can pick up medication lock bags, deactivation kits from her. Also, she's always doing some fun activities, whether it's dancing, hopscotch, sidewalk, chalk, just ways to be engaged, ways to get moving. So that's going on. But this week kicks off the first of 3 celebrity cheesemonger events. So for those of you who followed us along the last few years, you know that Wisconsin Cheese Masters, they do 3 dates where they allow United Way volunteers to come in, hand out the cheese samples, which is always super fun because we get to greet you as guests, we get to hand out the 3 cheese samples that everybody gets, and then as you work your way through the line, you can ask for other samples of things, of course. So they pay, it's an hourly stipend, an hourly wage, to be there, and then of course all tips are highly encouraged, go to United Way. So Saturday, October 4th, noon to 6, we will be at Wisconsin Cheese Masters. From noon to 3, our celebrities are Ashley Bignoski. Ashley's with the YMCA. She's a great partner with our childcare work, early childcare education. And then Michelle Laurie. Michelle's our board president, and she is also the executive director over at Door County Economic Development Corporation. So 2 great partners there. From 3 to 6 this Saturday, April 4th at Wisconsin Cheese Masters, we have Denise Stillman. Denise is a board member, and her husband own Parkwood Lodge in Fish Creek. And then Julie Mears. Julie is with Family Services of Northeastern Wisconsin here in Door County. She specifically works with our Healthy Families and our Welcome Baby program. So those internal program partners and those board members, noon to 6 at Wisconsin Cheese Masters. They are located just south of Egg Harbor. So as you are going into Egg Harbor, there's Harbor Ridge Winery, and Wisconsin Cheese Masters before Meadow Ridge. So that's where they are, noon to 6. And I say, ask them some cheesy questions, right? Whether it's about United Way, whether it's about cheese, or just cheesy punny questions in general. So we're so grateful to Wisconsin Cheese Masters for that opportunity. Thank you to all of you who continue to support us. We really appreciate it. As always, the best way to see what we're doing, social media or our website, UnitedWayDC.com. Have a great week, everybody, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.